हे फैम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. दिस इज शोभिक और आज हम लोग रिएक्ट करेंगे कांतारा अ लेजेंड चैप्टर 1 के फर्स्ट लुक टीजर पे, विच आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड अबाउट. जिन लोगों ने कांतारा देखा है, यू नो व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग. इट वाज अ विजुअल स्पेक्टेकल. आई मीन, जब आप हॉल में जाके एक ऐसा फिल्म देखते हो ना, वो आपके साथ रह जाता है. एंड ऊपर से दिस इज अ प्रीक्वल ऑफ कांतारा, which you know I want to see what Rishabh Shetty brings now, because his performance in that film was outstanding, especially that last 30 minutes of the film. Bhai, you just can't get over that. And if you want to watch the official teaser, the link is in the description. Please go check it out.
ಬೆಳಕು ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ಮುಂದೆ ಇರುವುದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ, ಆದರೆ ಇದು ಬೆಳಕಲ್ಲ, ದರ್ಶನ. ಹಿಂದೆ ನಡೆದದ್ದು ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೆಯುವುದು ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಬೆಳಕು ಕಾಣ್ತದ.
I mean, what did I just watch? This is crazy, man. That beard, that hair, that look. The last 15-20 seconds of that trailer looked visually spectacular. I mean, my expectation from this film has gone from 100 to 1,000. I mean, Rishabh Shetty is even directing and producing this one, so I'm super excited. I don't know what he'll bring on screen, but I'm sure it is going to be just as spectacular as Kantara. I mean, I'm just short of words, man. If you like my reaction, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one, man. Peace.